My name is Patricia Harris. I'm the Councilor of the Angels Division in the constituency of North Central St. Catherine. And my reason for supporting Comrade Golden is because of his humility. It is also important that an effective leader listens to grassroots people. And I see this quality in him, and it speaks volume as to the kind of effective leader that he will be for the People's National Party. I see him as a person who will unite the comrades, because at this point in time, our party is at a down low. He is the only person who can take us out of whatever is happening here in our party, unite us so that we can bring back the love, bring back the joy, bring back our party. So on November 7th, go with Golden.